This is the simplified, easy tutorial for Charlie Puth's One Call Away. For reference, here's middle C. Our first chord is C major. Starting with the right hand, we have G, C, and E. Our next chord is G major. We have G, B, and D. Next we have A minor 7 with G, C, and E. Next is F major with A, C, and F. C major, G major, C major, G major, A minor 7, and F major. F over G, and back to C major. On the left hand, we will be playing our root notes with C, G, A, F, C, G, C, G, A, F, G, and C. With both hands together, we have C major, G major, A minor 7, F major, C major, G major, C major, G major, A minor 7, F major, F over G, and C. Let's try that again. We'll call this pattern number 1, and it is played in the intro, choruses 1, 2, and 3. For the verses, our first chord is A minor 7, G major, C major, and F major. We play this 3 times. We'll call this pattern number 2, and this is played for the first verse. For the pre-chorus, we will be playing F major, followed by an F over G. This will be called pattern number 3, and it is played for the pre-chorus. The second verse will be slightly different. We'll start off by playing pattern number 2. Next, we'll play A minor 7, G, and C, played twice. This will be our pattern number 4. After that, we'll play pattern number 3 for the pre-chorus. So for the second verse, we'll play pattern number 2, followed by pattern number 4. And for the pre-chorus, we'll play pattern number 3. This brings us to our bridge, where we will play F major, A minor 7, and G major. We'll play this 3 times. After playing 3 times, we will end with F major and F over G. We'll call this pattern number 5, and it is played for the bridge. After the third chorus, where we play pattern number 1 2 times, we will end with C major, F major, F over G, and C.